Good evening again, and this is Monarch After Hours. And again, we are exploring art, culture, and stories behind the masterpieces that shape Filipino visual history. Today's episode centers on works in our current exhibit, Ang Dalanggaan ng Ginhawa, which is currently displayed in Monarch Molito. We'll talk about two very remarkable artists and artworks today. One from the celebrated Filipino painter Norma Belleza, with a piece dating back to the 1990s. And then we also have an untitled work of the renowned modernist artist Angelito Antonio, which is all from the 1980s. These artists are key figures in modern Filipino art and have contributed greatly to the country's artistic identity. So let's begin with Norma Belleza. Born in La Union in 1939, she studied fine arts at the University of Santo Tomas, and she grew up in a family that did billboard design, which exposed her to visual arts at an early age. Billboard artists at the time were the precursors of the modern advertising agency. Early in her career, Belleza's paintings were very dark and mood. But as she continued basically in her career, her composition started to have vibrant colors. Her subjects in both periods include vendors, workers, and women engaged in everyday activities. So it's very quite nice that we're featuring her now in March, where we have International Women's Month. So the topics focus on everyday people, makes her work very relatable and collectible. Belleza often highlights the physical gestures and expressions of her subjects, giving them strong emotional presence on the canvas. The artwork that we are featuring is called Magbubulak. Okay, the painting Magbubulak is a perfect example of Belleza's fascination with Filipino labor and daily life. The title itself suggests a worker or someone engaged in manual labor. Through very expressive brushworks, very vivid colors, Belleza captures the dignity of ordinary people doing ordinary work. Her paintings are not simply portraits of workers, they are tributes to resilience, effort, and the beauty of everyday Filipino life. In the context of this exhibit, Magbubulak reflects the theme, ang dalanggaan ng ginhawa, suggesting the relief or comfort brought by the products of hard work and perseverance. Now let's go on to the second artist, who is Angelito Antonio. Angelito Antonio was born in 1939 in Malolos, Bulacan, and he also studied in the University of Santo Tomas and later became a professor in this institution. Antonio is known for modernist and very cubist inspired style. So despite the fact that he is actually using Filipino scenes, this is really now characterized by strong diagonal lines, distorted figures, and similar to Norma Belleza, very bold and vibrant colors. Much like Belleza, Antonio's works often portray scenes of everyday Filipino life. Vendors, fishermen, and communities going about their daily routines. Over his career spanning more than 5 decades, Antonio received numerous awards and reception and recognition, becoming one of the key figures in the Philippine modern art movement. The untitled Antonio piece that you see behind me now reflects his signature visual language. Antonio's paintings offer combined geometry and human figures, very angular forms, vivid color contrasts that create movement and emotion within the composition. Even without a title, the painting communicates a narrative, one that reflects the rhythm of Filipino life, a theme present through the Antonio's body of work. Also, it creates a sense of movement because of the very strong geometric lines. What makes these two artists very unique for our exhibit is that they were not just artists, they were also partners in real life. So Norma Belleza and Angelito Antonio were married, and they both became very highly respected partners and painters in the Philippine art scene. Sadly, Angelito Antonio died already. However, their shared artistic journey created a legacy within Philippine art. In fact, the children also became artists, continuing the family's influence in the local art scene. So I hope you enjoyed today's issue of the podcast. Join us again as we talk more about masters, emerging artists, and even now international artists in this podcast, Monarch After Hours.